Ever wondered how to make the greatest coconut custard dessert? Well, ponder no more as we're about to delve into a world of creamy, coconutty deliciousness. First, gather the ingredients. For the custard, you'll need 4 eggs, 2 cups of coconut milk, half a cup of sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the caramel topping, stock up on a cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of water. And of course, don't forget the star of the show, 1 whole fresh coconut. I'll begin with the caramel. Pour your sugar and water into a saucepan over medium heat. Stir until the sugar dissolves and the mixture starts to bubble. Once it turns a golden brown, remove it from the heat. Be careful not to let it burn. Pour this caramel into a round cake pan. It will form a luscious layer for your custard. While the caramel cools, it's time to start on the custard. Crack your eggs into a bowl, add your sugar, and whisk until smooth. Now, pour in that coconut milk and vanilla extract. Stir until it's all beautifully combined. Once your caramel is cool, pour the custard mix over it. Place the cake pan into a larger pan filled halfway with water. This is called a water bath, and it's what gives the custard that silky smooth texture. Now it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and let the custard bake for around 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the center is set and the top is a light golden brown. Remove the custard from the oven and let it cool completely before flipping it onto a plate. The caramel layer will now be on the top, providing a sweet sticky topping for your custard. But wait, we're not done yet. The final touch to this dessert is the fresh coconut. Carefully break open your coconut and shred the flesh. Sprinkle it generously over the top of your custard for a tropical twist. And there you have it, the greatest coconut custard dessert. A creamy, dreamy custard base with a sweet caramel topping, all finished off with fresh shredded coconut. It's a dessert that takes you on a journey, from the first bite of caramel through the smooth custard to the crisp coconut finish. A true taste of the tropics right there on your plate. So, why not give it a try? With a little bit of time and some simple ingredients, you can bring a taste of the tropics to your table. Enjoy!